All right. Whew. Here we go. We have the monster. We have the beast. Let's go ahead and get into this right here. 120-minute running time. It says 3D mapping. So basically, with the 3D mapping, you can go ahead and set the points where you want your vacuum to vacuum or mop. It does have an invisible wall, so you can set where you want your vacuum to stop at. You guys, this thing is smart. You also have to download the app and all of that stuff. So be prepared to put some space onto your phone, okay? All right, now we have, here we go, smart obstacle detection right there. I already talked about that. Custom routing, we already talked about that. What it says, time setting. Okay, so you can set the time, blah, blah, blah. 3.2 liter dust bag. All right, so there you go. There goes the vacuum. And we are going to go ahead and unbox. When we first open the box, the first thing you get is the instructions. Let's go ahead and start having some fun. So here you go. Here's one little mop pad right here. Here's a backup pad. All right, and here we have the side brushes right here. We have a filter right here. All right. Now we have, wow, this is huge, you guys. This is huge. This is big. All right, you guys. Packaging is out right now. This is the top, all right? This is the bottom. So this is pretty cool, you guys. So the wheels are rubber. It's nice. It looks like it could go on some rough terrain. All right, so the side brush goes here. Oh, clipped right on in. So this is the only brush you have, you guys. I wish they would have put a brush right here. It would have been nice to have two brushes, but you know, that's just the way some companies do. Y'all probably can't see it, but it still says use a barrier when you on the stairs, just in case. So this is y'all dust collector right here. All right, so we're good with that. All right, what we have here? Ooh, we have a bag. Contact them and see where I get extra bags from. Did I forget to tell y'all that this works with Alexa and Google? So thumbs up on that one. And I know people are gonna be like, oh, you know, they listen to you all the time. I'm gonna be honest, I don't have too much to hide, you guys. All right. All right, come on. Gotta untie this braid tie. All right, braid tie is untied. All right, so we have the trash can here. Oh, they have a bag in here already, awesome. But my question is, where will the water go? That's the question. Why it looks like a battery pack on there. Oh, this don't go up all the way? Okay. All right, it goes up all the way. All right, so it looks like a container supposed to be here. Let me see. It says, open the dust station cover. Remove the worn out dust bag. But this is not worn out yet. It says throw away worn out dust bag and replace it with a new one. Cover the dust collection station. All right, so they basically telling you how to change this thing. So when it's full, you take it out just like that. And you slide it back into the slot that's in there. So I'll take it down for y'all so y'all can see. So you see, you slide it up and take it out just like that. All right, so if you need to wrap your cord around, here you go. You wrap it around, wrap it around. Of course, it's going to be neater than that, but I'm just showing y'all. All right, so you got to wrap around for your cord. I have a lot of reading to do, you guys, and we will check out the sweeping, we will check out the mopping, we will check out everything. So please don't click off. We have a lot to do. All right, you guys. So right now I am going to show y'all the dust collection area of this vacuum. And one thing I have to say is it clogged up, but it was on me, you guys. So as you can see, as I take it off, I had it upside down. So you see that little white clip right there? That white clip I was supposed to face upwards, and I had it facing down. So right now I am going to clean out the inside of the thing. Now I put it back in the wrong way. This is how I discovered it. So this is after the fact, you guys. I'm doing the voiceover, of course. But right here, I just want to show y'all the vacuum, and basically it didn't empty out the dust collector because I had it upside down the whole time. So right now I'm going to empty out the dust collector. I am going to show you the cleaning of the whole vacuum. Is very easy, you guys. Very, very easy. Right there is the brush, the wheel for the brush. Easy to take off, easy to clean. So as you can see, I'm taking it off from the clip, pull it back, and all you have to do is just lift up on the brush on that side, the right side that I just lift up. And it does come with a razor, so you can actually cut off the hair off the wheel. So that is like a super plus right there. All right. Now I cleaned it off. I'm ready to put it back on. Nice and simple. And when you put it back on, do remember to put the guard on. So we're going to put the guard on. And there we go. Clips right on. Nice and easy, you guys. Love it. And now we are going to put our dust collector back on. And there you have it, you guys. We are about to go at it again, and let's go. All right, you guys. So it's actually mapping right now, and I'm gonna do one more final review for y'all. So I'm gonna have it clean up the whole floor. The floor has some hair in it and stuff like that, but right now it's mapping out. All right. Once it's done mapping out, then it'll do a very thorough clean. All right. Now we have some stuff on the floor, so excuse the floor, you guys. But right now, once again, it's going to map out everything. Once it's done mapping, I'll let y'all see how the map is. And then I'll let y'all, as y'all can see, y'all see the L on the couch? So it's actually mapping out the couch right now. Y'all see the white right there. So the mapping technology on here is awesome, you guys. It's pretty cool. Can't deny that one. All right, just going over here. I gotta pick that sock up. If it sucks up a sock, it will stop cleaning. It will give you an indication that it is jammed. So y'all see that's the couch. This is the corner wall right here. All right, you guys. So let me get up with y'all once it's done mapping or once it's done cleaning. All right, you guys, it is time. So I am going to do one last hurrah with this. So let's see if the self vacuum worked. Y'all saw that I cleaned it out. I took all the hair out the roller. I cleaned out everything. All right, so let's take this off. We let it do its round, and well, for one, let's see if it vacuum. And it looks like we have a clog of dust right here. So let's take this out. It says water tank removed. So I still have a lot of dust in here, as you can see. All right. All right, nothing in there. Okay, so it's still got a good amount of clogging right here inside of the hole. Let me show y'all this real quick. So this is where the dust come out. So y'all see I'm pulling a lot out. So y'all see a lot of dust came out of there. All right. I think I'm gonna give it one more try. One more try, you guys. All right. The bag is pretty empty, so we're gonna give it one more try. Maybe it got clogged up right there. So we are gonna leave that alone. The vacuum is clean. Let's see if we can clean this dust out. So right now we're gonna put the liner back in. Oh, wrong way. We're gonna put that back in. All right. And I know another question people might ask is the mop version. The mop part is not a big deal. Me, honestly, I don't use it. My wife don't like it. And I'm pretty sure that you won't like it. Just for the simple fact on it just rubs the floor. It's not no heavy scrubber, no steam. You can even put hot water. It's just a waste of time. Anyways, but all you do is just add the water here. Once you add the water, I think you could add your solution. She put a solution in it, so you add the water and whatever you use to clean, and then let the mop do its thing. Once you switch it on, once you put your padding on, you have to put your padding on. Once you put your padding on, then you can go ahead and start mopping.
Makes water tank installed.
So, like I said, water tank is installed. And if you want to mop, you have to take your brush off. So what you do is yank your brush off. You have to put this on, like so.
The mop has been inserted.
It just said the mop has been inserted. The only thing is her volume is so low. And you put this on. It is Velcro, you guys, so don't worry about nothing. And fill your tank up, let it go, and it will go in mop mode. And it will put out the water however it put out the water, you guys. So and then I gotta clean all of this out again. If your floor is dirty, then yes, your pad will be brown, of course, but other than that, it's not doing no real steam cleaning or anything. So for me, the mop is pointless. Now, let's see if all this dust that's stuck in here, let's see if we can get that vacuum now. All right, so you see all this dust right here where you can.
Makes water tank installed.
All I did was hit dust now. All right, so I heard the bag suck in. So let's see if we have any results. Okay.
Makes water tank removed.
All right. And it's clean, you guys. So I think before, where I pulled that dust at, it was clogged in the inlet. So I think we're good with that. All right. So it says water tank installed. All right, you guys. So since the dust collection worked, all right, now I'm happy now. The map actually mapped out my sunroom. It mapped out my kitchen. You can see the island of my kitchen and the little L shape right there in that part. It actually mapped out all of my pots right here. So right here in this room, it mapped out all of my pots. On here it says room, I can't barely read this, room number 3, I think. All right, blue. All right, so you can see like there's 4 pots right here, right? So you can see where it actually mapped out, where it actually mapped all of that out. It has all of my pots in the blue area, and number 5 and number 2 is my kitchen. So they have this as a number 5. Over here is a number 2. And then we have the island right there. You can see the island, little white area. I'll post it for y'all. All right, room 6 is my living room. So it mapped out everywhere. And then as y'all know, room 1, where we started at, is the family room, and it mapped out so good it actually know the design of my couch. So that is insane. All right, so I love the map out part. and the rest is the rest of my room. So it mapped out my laundry room, it mapped out my bathroom, it mapped out the hallway. So we are good, you guys. So with that being said, the mapping technology on this thing is insane and scary, okay? Insane and scary. All right, and that will be all. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.